So would you
अजय
like to
गुप्ता
say?
क्या कहना चाहते हो आप? जो इंसिडेंट हुआ उसको खुद के जिम्मेदार मानती हो आप? जब 25 लोगों की जान गई, आज क्या कहना चाहते हो आप उसके बारे में? हाँ, अजय गुप्ता क्या
So
कहना
say
चाहते हो? आप
something.
को ओनर हो, हाँ? और जिस दिन हादसा हुआ तब आप गोवा में ही थे ऐसा? अजय गुप्ता क्या कहना चाहते हो आप इसके बारे में? हाँ, 25 लोगों की जान गई है इसमें, कुछ तो बोलो। आप खुद को जिम्मेदार मानते हो इसमें? अजय गुप्ता चुप क्यों हो? अजय गुप्ता चुप क्यों हो आप?
Issues of his back, which was, it is confirmed by the doctors, and the court has passed an order that he should be provided with a mattress, and that is rightly certified by the doctors of Goa Medical College. That is what the reports are saying. In regards to police custody, 4 days police custody has been granted. So that is the status at the moment of Ajay Gupta.
तसं आता जीएमसी ज्यानं मेडिकल गेले की नाही थंयसर रिपोर्ट येयला तेजो?
See, we are not aware, but
Okay.
it's what the doctors have opined, that he has issues with his back. So a specialist was consulted, and that specialist has opined it, and the honorable court has passed an order that he should be provided with a mattress.
ओके,
So
4
that-
days पोलीस कस्टडी.
4 days police custody.
Also बेलिकूय अप्लाय केले त्यांची हिअरिंग चालू असते.
See, that we will comment on it later. That's fine. But I'll say this is what is the status at the moment. All right. Yes. Thank you.